What if I told you some of the best web development tools out there are completely free, and you can customize them however you want? Sounds unreal, right? But open source tools can save you money and give you full control over your projects. So, why go open source? It's not just about cutting costs, it's about freedom. The freedom to build, break, and shape your tools however you need. Plus, you're backed by huge communities of developers constantly improving and supporting these tools. And since the code's open, you get security and transparency you can actually trust. On the front end, ditch Figma for Penpot, it's free and collaborative. Use VS Code, the go-to open source editor. And check out SvelteKit or Solid.js for fast, modern, lightweight UIs. For the backend, go with PostgreSQL for databases, Node.js or Dino for runtime, and Strapi for building APIs in minutes. When it's time to deploy, Docker, Kubernetes, and GitLab Community Edition keep your workflow smooth. And if you want full automation, Ansible and Terraform make managing infrastructure simple and consistent. Start small, switch one tool at a time. Get involved in the community, ask questions, maybe even contribute. Because open source isn't just software, it's a developer mindset. It's about ownership, collaboration, and innovation without limits. So before you renew that subscription, remember, there's probably an open source tool that's just as good, or better.